Morning. I just woke up and as you can see, my hair's all over the place. Just making myself some coffee, and wake myself up, and then we're gonna go get ready. Hello friends. So it's our second day today. I just did my hair because my husband was busy here in the washroom. I just straightened my hair for today, and now the parts that I butchered, you can see it more, but whatever, I don't care. I'm just gonna deal with it and wait for it to grow back. I'm just gonna put on some moisturizer. So this is our makeup for today. I-replace ko na yung earring ko with a little one. Nakalimutan ko i-off ang phone ko. Tagal ko na itong gustong kainin eh.
Yummy? That's good.
This one's very rich. I feel like I like this one more
Mm-hmm.
than this one. That says a lot because I love their shade. This
It's good.
very yummy.
So which one do you like the most? This one? So this is the winner. What's this one?
Pistachio.
Pistachio.
We're not a bad choice.
Hmm.
Diba?
tickets, you can go to 147.
Dito ako sa gilid mo. It's huge.
We are just gonna go eat dinner at Eataly. Good morning. My husband is still asleep, so I'm trying to be quiet. And I'll start packing up. It's still 5 o'clock in the morning, but I had been awake since 3 a.m. So might as well just make use of my time. And so my husband can get a little bit more sleep because he's the one who's going to be driving us to Niagara. So this is currently my view at 5 in the morning. Don't mind the construction, but Toronto at 5 a.m. is still very much alive.